What's happening, everybody, and welcome to another new Tool Tuesday from the little oh sorry the little computer spot. Again, it's 98 degrees outside right now, so it's way hotter in the shop. But today we are going to look at the Walmart Hyper Tough 6-inch caliper, digital caliper. Um, I've got a quite an expensive brand of caliper, but it's the dials style, and it works great. But I kind of wanted something digital that I can just and easily read out. So it says nylon frame, jaws and depth gauge. I don't know if I like that. Measure outside, inside, depth and step. LCD display with push button unit conversion. Includes LR44 1.5 volt button cell battery. I hope it includes the battery. So let's get it opened up and check it out. This was $10 at my local Walmart. So if it ends up being a hunk of junk, we didn't waste too much. But I don't. I didn't buy these to have a tool that's crazy accurate. My other one, it's a Starrett, I believe. I'd use that one if I need something crazy accurate. I just need to be able to, little stuff. For example, my road bike, which I ride every day, I need to get a new, what's it called? Not a head tube. Part. I need to get a new part. And let's say it's 20 millimeter. If this reads like 20.5 millimeter, there's a standard, so. Oh, it's nice. Oh, it's actually pretty smooth. Let's turn it on. All right, let's pull the tab out first. Oh my goodness, that tab is in there. Let's just open the battery door. It opens like every other set of calipers I've ever seen, so that's good. Battery kind of popped out though. We'll slide the battery door back in. There we go. All right, we're set to millimeter. There's inch. I mean, it does the what it's supposed to do. What can we measure here? I mean, we can't really measure anything that we don't know. Let's measure this piece of wood. So this piece of wood is on the floor. This piece of wood is 0.56 inches wide, or thick. Of course, it's not cut straight. What's that? 1.47. Now, I mainly use these for the millimeter. Let's see what the millimeter is. So 14.2 millimeter, 0.56 inch. Is that accurate? Does 0.56 inch equal out to 14.2 millimeter? Somebody leave a comment down below and let me know. Now, it's hard. I mean, it feels plasticky, which all Hyper Tough stuff. If you don't know the Hyper Tough brand, it's Walmart's junk, basically. So yeah, I don't expect it to be super accurate. You know what? Let's just see. Pull it out to 1 inch. Pretty dang close. Let's go out to 4 inch. Yeah, it's right there. Close enough. Close enough for what I'm going to be using it for. Yeah, I think it's gonna come in very much handy. Anyway, guys, this has been your new Tool Tuesday for the Hyper Tough 6-inch digital caliper. Like I said, the conversion from inch to millimeter, that's huge for me, because I don't do metric stuff. I don't know it. So it's nice to be able to, especially on my road bike. On a lot of stuff nowadays, it's metric, and I could put a tape measure on it and say 1.5 inch, but I can't say. Here, let me make sure I get this right. Okay, I can say 1.5 inch, but I can't say 38.3 millimeter, because I just don't know. So anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed. if you like these new Tool Tuesdays, we got more, lots more coming. Leave a comment, subscribe, let me know what you think, give it a thumbs up, and we'll see you next time.